I know that you wanna sleep in today. I'm over here hoping you won't say it. I know you're not gonna ruin my slumber like this. You're not gonna say you were the one that wanted to have the kids, and now you're gonna have to wake up with him. He's awake, he's awake, gonna have to wake up with him. He's awake, he's awake, you're gonna have to wake up with him. He's awake, oh God, you're gonna have to wake up with him. He's awake, oh God, you're gonna have to wake up with him.
You don't wanna be the one that's sitting right down when it's 5 a.m. and he wants cereal now. It's not that fair to think you got a whole weekend. You can go out and drink, and I tell you what, 5 a.m. comes really fast. Maybe you should switch the water inside that glass.
He's awake, oh God, you're gonna have to wake up with him. He's awake, oh God, he's waking up, oh God, we're waking up now. He's awake, oh God, you're gonna have to wake up with him. Oh my God, you're gonna never be with.
You will not be able to sit there in your bed. You can't pull the covers right up on over your head. There's no way for you to get out, nowhere to run. But I'll tell you, having a 2-year-old is still shit tons of fun. Just love him up and kill him in the bed. You turn on the Mickey and he's gonna lay his head down. And maybe you will get lucky, you can sleep for 5 more minutes. Yo, that's enough for a week. You can get him a thing, and maybe he can suck on a binky too. But you're trying to get him a chocolate milk, yo, you might as well just go up, watch Winnie the Pooh. He's awake, he's awake, he's awake, gotta wake up him. He's awake, oh gotta wake up him. He's awake, oh God, you're gonna have to him. He's awake, gonna wake up. He's awake, oh God, you're gonna wake up with him.
Thank you.